Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. This video is going to be a mismatch of things that I wanted to get cleaned up in my craft room. One of them being I have to draw the winner for the scallop die that I had in one of my Temu videos. Here are all of the entries, and I'm going to shake it up and close my eyes and pick one. Let's see who we have here. And we have Marianne's Craft Corner. Congratulations, Marianne. My email address is in my About Me page. If you want to send me your address, I will go ahead and mail out your scallop die prize. Thank you everyone that entered. I also have a couple of thank yous. Mystical Misty, I will link her channel down below. She posted a video using this tool. It's a looper and it loops these things. I think these are head pins at the ends. I jumped on Amazon and scooped this up, and I hope to be making some dangles now that this tool can make those ends close. I also received a birthday gift from Sharon over at Sheep to Chic. I will also link her channel down below. Sharon, thank you so much for being so generous. Thank you for that gift card. Very sorry for posting this so late. This is from Marissa at Fun Size Crafter. She sent me this cute Valentine goodie envelope, and she has included some die cuts, and then she wrote me a note. Marissa, thank you so much for thinking of me on Valentine's Day. That was very sweet. I will show what I am sending her. Didn't get to send out my Valentines. I'm going to be sending out some Easter ones. This is the flat mail that I'll be sending Marissa. This is a little pea die that I recently picked up from KS Crafts. On the inside, I am sharing some of the bunnies that I made for Happy Mail. I am also sharing some of my dewdrops with her. Thank you again, Marissa, for thinking of me. I'm going to get this in the mail this week. I also have a couple of miscellaneous hauls. I went to Michael's and they had this Valentine's felt sheets. It was on clearance for 75% off of the $4.99. I found these clay bits and they are of the rainbows. And I've already broken into these and swapped them in some Happy Mail. Picked those up. I think they were on clearance for $2. I stopped at the dollar store and I picked up these cute carrot bags in case I'm in an Easter swap. If anyone is interested in doing an Easter swap with me, let me know down below or shoot me an email or direct message me on Instagram. And then I have a quick Hobby Lobby clearance. I ran back into one that was by my house that didn't have a lot of stuff, and I found this I Heart My Dog paper crafting kit, and that was $1.74. And then I was excited to find this Easter one. That was also $1.74 because I don't have any Easter kits. And this comes with the stickers, the letters, ephemera pieces, and the papers, also for $1.74. I found these cute envelope seals. I had to get the bees, and these cute baby elephants. They were 24 cents each. Those are so cute. I found some more of the ribbon clasps to make the ribbon dangles. I found them in the little silver and then the bigger gold. Some jump rings, and I found these in different colors. I got the blue ones in my last haul, and these are more the pink and the reds. Those were $2.49. I picked up these white paint pens. This big one was $1.49 and this one was 99 cents. I found this cute pom-pom garland. That was $1.24. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. Either cut it apart to make like bunny tails or use it to wrap Happy Mail. Didn't want to leave it behind. I picked up another bag of these sacks that were 99 cents. There's 12 in there and they have the brown background. I could not leave this lemon stamp behind. It's so cute. I think it's going to cut really well on my scan and cut, and that was only 99 cents. And then I picked up some wire. That was $2.24. I have no idea what kind of wire I should be buying to make some of those ribbon dangles. And so I picked it up and I'm hoping for the best. I'm hoping it's going to fit in that tool. And that's it. That is my mismatch of haul-in and a giveaway winner. And guys, I have an exciting announcement coming up soon. I'm going to be hosting a challenge every month. Please stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and have a great day.